Hello students, I wish all of you are fine. So students, today I am going to discuss about the full process of installation Microsoft Teams, because in your next sessions online classes will be take only in Microsoft Teams in place of Google Meets. So please students, please follow all the simple and important steps. I'll show you step by steps how to install the Microsoft Teams. Okay, first you have to go Play Stores, and in your Play Stores, in your search bar you have to write Microsoft Teams and search. I have already downloaded this application, so I'll open this. After clicking on open icon, that interface will become like that. So students, just you have to click in bottom portions here, sign up for free, then click on personal. It will take some more times because it will depends upon your internet connectivity. Which number you want to register in Microsoft Teams, that numbers you can enter here. Then click on next. So students, just click in next icon. Then here you have to enter your password. Password must be at least 8 characters, one uppercase. Uppercase means capital letters, and lowercase means at least one lowercase. Lowercase means small letters, and one symbol like @ like that, and one numbers at least. I'll show you how to take your password, how to create your password also. I will show you. Just J capital and B @8822 75780, like that. You have to take your password. Then click on next. Here you have to write your first name and last name. I'll write my names for demo purpose only. Okay, then click on next. Then here automatically India, your country will come India. If will not come India, then you click this and select your country. Then put your date of birth. Then here enter your year. Then click on next. Then in your register mobile number, OTP will come. Then enter your OTP and click next. Please wait for a few minutes. Then the registration process complete. So students, completing all the important steps, the final interface will come like that. Thank you so much. So students, in next video I will show you how to use Microsoft Teams. Thank you.